If calm feels boring but chaos feels like chemistry, congratulations, your nervous system has a trauma taste. Welcome, sit down, let's talk. Let me guess, the emotionally unavailable one, mysterious, hot, suddenly you're writing poetry in your notes app at 2 in the morning, but the emotional available one, kind, consistent, replies on time, you're like, nice human, zero spark, would recommend to a friend. And you think the problem is them? It's not. You don't have a bad dating history. You have a nervous system with a terrible playlist. It keeps replaying the same song called Love Equals Uncertainty. Absolute banger, terrible for long term happiness. Here's what's actually happening in your body. When someone pulls away, your brain releases dopamine. When you don't know where you stand, cortisol jumps in like, hey, bestie, let's panic. That chemical combo creates intensity, focus, obsession, and your brain goes, whoa, this must be love. It's not. It's your nervous system doing parkour. That's why healthy people feel strange, too calm, too steady, too emotionally legal. Your system's like, where's the danger? Where's the drama? Where's the character development? So you go back to the emotionally unavailable one. Same vibe, different haircut. Here's the uncomfortable but freeing part. Healthy connections feels boring at first to a nervous system raised in chaos. Not because it is boring, but because your body is detoxing from intensity. That phase right there, that's where most people quit. If this made you laugh and feel slightly exposed, good. That's awakening kicking in. You're not broken. You're just used to confusing anxiety with attraction. Watch the next video. I break down where the pattern actually starts and how to retrain your nervous system without killing the attraction. Stay here. We're just getting interesting.